Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about square roots. You all know every number is not a perfect square number, but we can find a square root. So today I will tell you how to find the square roots of some perfect square numbers in a very easy and simple way. But before starting the square roots, you should know some important points. Like if a number square ends with 1, then the last digit or the units digit of that square root will be 1. If a number square ends with 4, then the last digit will be 2 or 8. And if a square ends with 5, then the last digit will be 5. If a square ends with 6, then the last digit will be 4 or 6. And if a square ends with 9, then the last digit can be 3 or it can be 7. Now, which one will be the correct number, that I will show you in the method of square root or finding the square root. Now, how to apply these steps? First case, when we have to find a square root of 5184. Now to find the square root of 5184, the first step is we will arrange the number in pairs. Starting from right, we will arrange the number in pairs. Now you can see it here, we have got two pairs. Now we will pick the first pair. The first pair here is 51. We will see the possible square, the nearest square of this 51. As 51 is not a perfect square number, so we will see the nearest square of 51. So nearest square of 51 is 49, which is a square of 7. So the first digit of this square root will be 7. First digit of the square root of 5184 will be 7. Now to find the next case, to find the next digit. Now you can see the square number ends with 4, and according to this chart, the last digit can be 2 or it can be 8. Now how to select that it will be 2 or 8? For this thing, we have to see this number. This is the 7 number. Now it can be the square root of 5184 can be 72 or it can be 78. Now which one is the correct number? To find this one, we have to take this 7 and we have to multiply this 7 with the next number. Now 7 into 8 is 56 and 56 is greater than 51. 56 is greater than 51. Now, if it is greater than 51, then we will pick up the first number. So, first number is 2. So, the correct square root of 5184 is 72. So, the answer will be 72. So, if the product is greater than the first two digits, then we will select the smaller number. And if it is less, then we will take the bigger number. Now take another case like square root of 9216. We will do the same process, arrange in pairs. 92. Now 92, the nearest square is 81, which is a square of 9. So the first digit will be 9. Now you can see it here, it is ending with 6. So the square root can be 94 or it can be 96. Now to find which one is the correct one, the same method we will apply here. We will multiply this 9 with 10. Now you know 90 is less than 92. Now if it is less than 92, so we will pick up the larger number. So the square root of 9216 is 96. So it's very easy. If you know the process, you can do it in seconds only. Same way, another little difficult example, 12544. We will arrange in pairs again, 44, 25, and then 1. We can take this 125 as one pair also, as in a group only. So you can see it here, 125. This 125, the nearest square is 121. And 121 is a square of 11. So the first two digits will be 11. Now to find a last digit, you can see this number is ending with 4. So according to the chart which I showed it to you, the last number can be 2 or it can be 8. So the square root of 12544 can be 112 or it can be 108. So we will apply the same trick to find out the correct number. 11 into 12. Multiply this 11 with the next number. 11 into 12 is 132. This also you can do it with the help of Vedic maths only. Whenever you have to multiply any number by 11, you just take the first and the last digit as it is, and the middle number is the sum of the two digits. So 11 into 12 is 132, and 132, you can see it here, 132 is greater than 125. So if it is greater, I told you we will pick up the first number, this one, 2. So the correct square root of 12544 is 112. So in one line only, you can easily calculate the square roots of the perfect square numbers. I hope this method you found it very, very interesting. So keep watching Vedic Maths Tricks. Thank you.